a special little sleepy guest with me. Mako is here. He's taking a little nap. This is like his 5th one today. So I just figured it'd be cute to have him here. So I'm actually going to film 2 videos. So I'm going to look the same, have the same background and everything. But this video is going to be a BarkBox unopening. And then I also have a PupBox, which I'm going to film next. So I wanted to go ahead and film the BarkBox one. We got the BarkBox yesterday. And Greta and Lucky have been going crazy over it. This is actually for Greta. So I wanted to show you everything that was in it first, and then I'm gonna have some footage of her getting into the box and looking at everything afterwards. So yeah, let's just get started. This is what it looks like. Everybody kind of knows BarkBox. It's a typical subscription box most people get for their dogs. Greta's had this before, and I ended it last summer, I think, because I wasn't working over the summer, and this year I am, so I was able to afford the BarkBox this summer for her. So let's just open it up, and this is what it looks like. So we actually, I'm afraid this is like the same exact box because my mom got one for Lucky and Bowser, and I think this is the same exact one, but that's okay. Greta will have her own toys to chew on. So this is what it looks like. It has cute little paper, and we have a little how to BarkBox paper, and it just says like what comes in it. So you're supposed to get 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and an all-natural chew. And then it just has when you're getting your next box and blah blah blah. Oh, this is cute. It says, "Welcome to the BarkBox pack." That's cute. So that is the first little thing in there. All right, when I open it up, there's a little paper. Bark invites you to the Bark Slope Street Fair. Oh, I think this one's different. The one that we got before was New York themed, so I think this one's different. Yay! Oh, it is. It has some different things. Oh, how cute. So this says, "Calling all carnival barkers. Spin the wheel and win a prize." Oh, this is cool. Prizes can be found inside your BarkBox except for the kissy stuff. That's all you. It says, "Win a treat, big ol' kiss, win a chew, belly rub, win a toy. Mom sings a song." Oh, that's cute. It's like a little interactive thing. And then it has some of the toys that are in here. This is really cute. Okay. So our theme for this box is street fair. So next thing I see here is Bark of the Wild. This is a bag of treats. This is the Bark brand. So it's BarkBox's own brand of treats. They are boar, pork, and chicken blend. Soft and chewy. They're sourced and made in the USA, which I really like. Wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, and grain-free. Always made in the USA, all natural ingredients. We treat your pup right, happiness guaranteed. So she will really like this. The #1 ingredient is real wild boar. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's our first bag of treats. Next thing I see here is our second bag of treats. These are also the BarkBox brand. Oh, he's moving. I'm being too loud. He's so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Fresh Fair Treats duck shish kebab recipe. These are soft and chewy, also made in the USA. These are also wheat, corn, soy, and grain-free, and it says all the same things on the back. These feel like longer treats. These feel more like round, like little patties maybe, and these are more like a stick kind of thing. So that is pretty cool. Duck shish kebab. That's kind of cool. I've never had something like that before. She'll love those. All right, next thing is our chew here. We have Play-Doh pet treats. This is the salmon recipe. Thinker's salmon recipe. Okay, so it's just your basic doggy chew. She really likes these. I'm so glad that it was a different one, a different box than the New York one we got. Ooh, and she's gonna love it. These toys, you guys. Oh, I think Oh, you know what? I put on there, maybe that she was bigger than the other box that we got. I don't know. This looks like the same toy that we got in the New York City box. I think it is. It says Chester's Pigeon, New York City. That's weird. So I guess they just threw that one in there? I'm not really sure. But this is cute and has a squeaker in it. I'm not going to squeak it because it'll wake Puppy up. But this is bigger, I think, than the other one that we got out of the New York City box. I don't know. Alright, and last thing we have here is, oh, this is cute. It's Max's Maine lobster roll. That is hilarious. It is a lobster on a bun. It's got some, like, you know, those, whatever it's called, like the crinkly paper or whatever in it. And I think it probably, yeah, it has a squeaker in there too. I'm not going to squeak it because, like I said, it will wake Mako up. And I'm trying to let him sleep through me filming these videos. Yeah, crinkle and a tube squeaker. Made with a full-bodied tube squeaker, fuzzy, soft plush, and crinkle delight dogs? Oh, fuzzy, soft plush, and crinkle delight dogs with different sounds and textures. Very cool. And this is also the BarkBox brand. Let's see, it's Chester's Penguin, Chester's Pigeon. Yeah, he is also. So everything in here except for the chew, that I know of anyway, was with the BarkBox brand. Yeah, I think this is from Play-Doh Pet Treats, so this is not BarkBox brand, but that is pretty cool, you guys. That was a good amount of stuff in this box. This is what it looks like. Their paper is always so cute. So I guess like the street fair, got like street food and people. That's really cute. So, alright, that is everything that came in that BarkBox, and I'm going to pack all this stuff back up, and then I'm going to let Greta kind of open it and let her see everything that came inside. So I will put that footage at the end of this, and so I hope that you guys enjoyed. I always like watching BarkBox videos to see what people get in their boxes, because sometimes they're different. You can customize your BarkBox to the size of your dog, and so if you have like a small dog, then I'm sure you get different toys than if you know, put it for a large dog. Same with the treats and stuff. So that's why I think this one might have been different from the New York City box. I don't know. I'm not sure what my mom put down for Lucky and Bowser, but I don't know. Greta's have a lot of good things in it. So anyway, here is some footage of Greta opening her BarkBox, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. All right, Greta, you ready? Come on. What's in here? Get it, Greta. What's in here? Yeah. You want some boar, pork, and chicken? Yummy. What's this? Ooh. Yeah, what's this? Ooh, good girl. You want a treat? Let's get one. Push me. I can't get them. Hang on, girl. There we go. Oh, great, great. These look yummy. You ate that quick. Girl. You only need one. What's this? Oh, get it. Eat it. Great, great. Great, great. Good girl. Good girl. What you got, big man?